It is 5 a.m. It's 5 a.m. and we are getting ready to go to the train station. And we're saying goodbye to Cusco. I thought it was Jasmine's birthday, but it is the 23rd. Tomorrow is her birthday. So, gorgeous, gorgeous morning here. Time to take a shower and get up out of here.
Wake up in the morning sun, feeling like the day's begun. Need a rhythm, need a song to make me feel like I belong. Darkness says I need a fix, something more than just a mix. Groovy beats and bass so strong, reggae vibes will keep me on. Medication for the soul, reggae music makes me whole. Feel the rhythm, feel the flow. Prescription vibes, just let it go. Every note a healing sound, lifts me up and holds me down. From the islands to the streets, reggae finds a way to me. Feel a heartbeat in the air, let the sound just take you there. Close your eyes and feel the heat, dance away on reggae feet. A medication for the soul, reggae music makes me whole. Feel the rhythm, feel the flow. Prescription vibes, just let it go.
All the bread bakery pastries.
Every note a healing sound, lifts me up and holds me down. From the islands to the streets,
Pretty nice.
reggae finds a way to me. Feel a heartbeat in the air. Let the sound...
Slight change of plans. Apparently the rails on the train are being fixed or something, so we're taking a bus and we are going to Aguas Calientes, which basically translates to hot water. We'll see why soon.
Close your eyes and feel the heat, dance away on reggae feet. A medication for the soul, reggae music makes me whole. Feel the rhythm, feel the flow. Prescription vibes, just let it go.
Apparently it's a 2-hour drive, so I'm gonna get some Wim Hof breathing techniques in, maybe read a book, and enjoy the scenery.
Medication for the soul, reggae music makes me whole. Feel the rhythm, feel the flow. Prescription vibes, just let it go. Every note a healing sound, lifts me up and holds me down. From the islands to the streets, reggae finds a way to me. Feel the heartbeat in the air, let the sound just take you there. Close your eyes and feel the heat, dance away on reggae feet. Feel the heartbeat in the air, let the sound just take you there. Close your eyes and feel the heat, dance away on reggae feet. Medication, your medication makes me high, just be patient. I'm like a patient trying to find levitation. Run your fingers down my spine, elevation. Your medication makes me high, yeah. I fell in love with the sativa. Where you been? Nice to meet ya. Obsessed with your features. You got all different flavors. You got that lovely sneakers. The best friend Keisha know how to knock 'em out they sneakers like that.
There's way too much to be looking at to be reading a book right now.
Louis 13, but she nothing like my ex though. She remind me of gelato, got me drinking out the bottle. She got me swerving on the shawty. Her name was Indica. I tried to tell her I was sorry. She said that's the end of us, but I can never keep on rolling up. Medication keep me going up. Meditation, come on, breathe with us. No ventilation, keep the windows up. Oh, oh. Medication, your medication makes me high, just be patient. I'm like a patient trying to find levitation. Run your fingers down my spine, elevation. Your medication makes me high, yeah. I love your Mary Jane. You're the prettiest of flowers, girl, me can't complain. When I'm with you, I feel so high, I rise above.
We're here, very close to Machu Picchu. Sun is no fucking joke, bro. I am burning. I'm cooking alive. I feel like I'm in Miami. The sun is hotter than Miami. Straight to the train after the bus, no time to pee. Hopefully there's a bathroom on the train.
I don't know if I like.
This is such a nice train.
Away we go. Vámonos.
That's slow.
We're just taking off right now.
Snacks are coming soon. I'm so hungry. And we arrived. Julian, seriously? God.
Yeah, Johan, didn't you want to take a picture?
Platform 9 3/4.
A esta hora están pasando los pasajeros. Ya, no me fastidien. Vaya ya.
What's that smell? It smells like food.
Hey, how you doing?
Playing my favorite song. One of my favorite songs. Thank you. We haven't even gotten to our hotel yet. I'm exhausted. This is a hike already. Finally, we've leveled out. That was, my God. Into the hotel, I'm sweating like a pig. Look at me. See what our view's like.
Not good.
Nothing.
Maybe this is the worst apartment.
I think it's still pretty cool. Room.
You have to have these ones with 2 holes. That's the most.